Welcome back, explorers, and today I'm going to be giving you a detailed cabin tour of room 7405 on the Carnival Magic. So my first thoughts of this room was I thought it was very spacious. It was much bigger than the one that we had on the Carnival Liberty. And as you see, we did have the king bed, which is, I believe, is 2 full beds or 2 twin beds that are merged together. So first we're going to go into this bathroom. And the bathroom was as expected to be on a cruise ship. You see they give you your shampoo and conditioner. And one thing, if your hair is like kind of sensitive, you're going to want to bring your own shampoo and conditioner. For the explorers that haven't been on a cruise yet, the water is determined in Celsius, and they do have a detachable shower head, which is a major plus. As we all know, the toilet is not the best on a cruise ship, but it does get the job done. Looking here, one thing that I did not know taking a cruise is that you can call your room steward and actually request bathrobes be sent to your room that you can keep for the duration of your cruise. Please note that in order to have power in your room at all times, you must leave the card inserted into a slot. If you're somebody who likes air conditioning and you just got back on the ship, you would want to leave that card in the slot. This was actually our first anniversary cruise, so as you see, I ordered a cake off the Carnival site and I also ordered some door decals. So if you want to order any like drinks or anything or food ahead, you just go on the Carnival site before your cruise. As you see here, if you're someone who likes to unpack, this was actually a 6-day cruise, so I actually unpacked all our stuff because I do not like going in and out of the bags and scrambling through trying to find something to wear the next day. So they actually have a good amount of closet space to accommodate 2 people. Also, you'll always find your life vest or any extra comforters or blankets in the closet. Here you will see what I thought was complimentary water, but it's definitely not. If it's just missing 1 drop out the bottle, you will be paying for that bottle. This is my absolute favorite thing to do on a cruise, is just sit on the balcony and relax because it's so quiet and relaxing.